The Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers cause wheel vibration. People worry that the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a strong sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there will be no vibration issue. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacers means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle's hubs only by the wheel stud. If you are using this cheap spacer, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers will be the easiest solution as long as you use quality Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers and install them properly. They are very safe and reliable for off-road, since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers and the wheels. If the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SDM 440 steel material. They have achieved ISO standard grade 4.9 with high strength. Your Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can be more processed without breaking. Hub-centric Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and the wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bone of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric design. The hub-centric metalwork is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are components that can tear the other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerant ones.